Hello everyone, I am here again with some good news. As you know, every time I come with some good news. So today I am going to share something good. This never happened with any other industry, even in direct selling industries. You know that we are going to open the education center. That education center is offline education center, means you have to have a physical education center where you have to rent or you can use your own place. Requirement and everything will be depicted by education center leaders employee in the marketing team, Mr. Jacob. But I am going to say something beyond that. First time Atomy is preparing to come with online education center. Repeating, online education center. But you need to have patience because this is first time. Probably we will be opening in the next year, means 2021. But offline, of course, we will be starting very soon. Online, where you can sit and you can help hundreds, thousands of members. Isn't it exciting? Be ready. But for the offline education center, I just want to add few sentences. Who can apply as an education center leader? Anyone who is an Atomy India member or distributor can apply for the Atomy Education Center leader. But he must not be a member of any other direct selling companies. Also, he should not be banned by Atomy through the disciplinary commissions or any other activities which is bad for him. Details will be explained by Jacob. Now, what would be the condition of the education center? As you know that the space has to be 800 square feet where at least 20 people can sit. Otherwise, how can you give training? But remember few things. Your education center must not be in a mall or in ground floor or in underground like B1, B2, B3, B4. No underground. It should not be inside a spa. It should not be inside a healthcare center because it is an education center. It is not the franchise. Through the education center, you will be giving training for hundreds of new members. You will be helping them to know about Atomy. If they face any problem, you solve them. That education center is for helping the members, not earning. One more point, your education center must not be within 0.5 kilometer radius of another education center. So you have to be careful few points. You know, this education center is pre-authorized education center, means to convert it to authorized center or to continuously using this pre-authorized education center, there are few requirements you have to know. After starting your education center, within 6 months of time, you must attend at least 5 one-day seminar which is run by Atomy India and at least 2 times success run by Atomy India. Not only this one, within the 6 months, you must achieve at least 3 times sales master. Why? Because if as a leader, you are not in a higher positions, how the other people will respect to you? Last but not least, all the education center leader must attend education center leader training program run by Atomy India. If you don't get trained, how you can train others? So this is training for the trainers. I wish you luck, and I will always come with something good. Till the time, be with us. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Hind.
Welcome back to all Atomians. Hope you all gone through the last 3 published videos about Atomy India Education Center. If not, please visit our Atomy India official YouTube channel. See the videos in deep. The first video was about criteria and the purpose of Atomy India Education Center. And the second was do's and don'ts about the Atomy India Education Center, and to be followed by the Atomy Education Center leader. And the third was about 8 stage of application process for applying Atomy India Education Center. So we will go through the live application process for applying Atomy India Education Center. Now I will explain about the detailed online application process for Atomy India Education Center. On your web browser, go to www.atomyedu.in. You will be redirected to the registration page. For initiating the registration process, type your Atomy distributor number, then input your full name as per PAN, then provide your registered email address for getting the email notifications for each stages of the application process. Then put the password that should be at least 6 characters. Then confirm your password and click on create an account. You will be redirected to a sign-in page and you will get a welcome mail from Atomy for registering. Now you may click here to redirect to the login page, or you can enter www.atomyedu.in on any browser. Then you will be redirected to the home page. You can read the roles and responsibilities of the education center and the education center leader. The next tab is guidelines. The applicant can read the education center criteria and step-by-step online application process in detail. Then the next tab is interior and exterior guidelines, which includes the internal and the external signage, posters, business card, guidelines, etc. The next tab is contact us. You will get the contact details of Atomy India customer care details. For signing in, please input Atomy distributor number and password. Applicant need to read website terms of use and privacy policy. And may click on I agree. Then click on sign in to redirecting to the Atomy India Education Center application page. If you want to change a password, click on settings. You may change a password. Now I will start the application process for the education center.
Before starting the application, please read the notes and instructions to be followed in each stages of application.
First, once registered, same ADN and distributor details cannot be used for re-registration. Second, please read all the notes and instructions provided in the right panel of each stages before filling the online application form. All applicant details related information should be filled as per Atomy registration. Fourth, all required documents format is available in the resource category in the Atomy Education Center website. Fifth, additional details and documents may require to be provided by the applicant as per the state or union territory specific government rules and regulations. Sixth, each stages with status, that is approval, modification or rejection of the application, will be notified through registered email address. 7th. Whole application process is having scoring system and scores will be generated based on the answers given. The minimum criteria is 60%. 8th, upon 60% of score and matching the criteria of education center, pre-authorization will be given based on certain criteria. Those criteria need to be filled within 6 months. Atomy India will evaluate and modify the status from pre-authorization to authorization. And the last, 9th, you may establish education center and make operational before the Atomy India launch, but education center commission will be generated only after the formal launching of Atomy India. Now we will start the application process for the education center. You may click on Start Applications. Your application process can be seen on top on each stage. Gray means not started. Blue stands for under process of the application. Green stands for the stage successfully completed. First stage of application is known as first evaluation, which is having 6 sub-stages. Applicant need to provide the personal details as next. Details like name, ADN and the email address will be auto-filled, which was entered during the registration, and same cannot be changed. Then input your valid Indian mobile number. You can select your mastership from the drop-down box. Input the complete applicant address and click on Save and Next. Then you will be directed to the second sub-stage of first evaluation. In this stage, applicant needs to provide consent to all the pre-authorized conditions. I agree consent need to be given for the applicable questions, where you select no, and upon completion of all questions, click Save and Next. Then you will be redirected to the third sub-stage of the first evaluation. In this stage, applicant need to provide the proposed education center address, input the unique name of the education center, mention the monthly rent amount as mentioned in the agreement, and last, area of the education center, which should be 800 square feet or more, else application cannot be proceeded in the next stage. Then you may click on Save and Next. You will be redirected to the fourth sub-stage of the first evaluation. Applicant need to provide the consent for all the 4 facility requirement conditions and may click on Save and Next to proceed with the application. Then you will be redirected to the 5th sub-stage of the first evaluation. The applicant need to provide the consent for the infrastructural requirement by clicking I agree. Then if the proposed education center is less than 0.5 km from the existing education center, then click yes and upload the NOC from the existing education center leader, or if not, then click no. Next, applicant need to upload Royal Club member, sponsor and recommendation letter in the provided format, and in any other details field, applicant can put any details pertaining to the location of the center, background of the member, informations about potential market, etc. Then you may click on Save and Next. You will be redirected to the 6th sub-stage of the first evaluation. The applicant need to provide the declaration for the filled content and submit the application. Upon successful submission, you will receive notification. Kindly wait till Atomy India process your applications and you will receive email upon Atomy India evaluation of first stage. If your application has been approved, applicant may click on next step to initiate the next stage of application, that is online examination. Then you will be redirected to the first sub-stage of online examination. In this, applicant need to answer 5 questions about company profile and click Save and Next. Then you will be redirected to the second sub-stage of online examination. In this stage, applicant needs to answer 5 questions about Atomy product and may click on Save and Next. Then you will be redirected to the third substage of online examination. In this, applicant need to answer 5 questions about Atomy compensation plan and click on Submit. Upon successful submission, you will receive notification. Kindly wait till Atomy India process your application. You will receive email upon Atomy India evaluation of second stage. If your application has been approved, Atomy India will contact applicant for telephonic interview. Applicant can wait for the feedback from telephonic interview, and upon feedback from Atomy India, email notifications will be received by the applicant. Now, applicant can initiate for the next stage of application, that is video presentation, by clicking Next. Applicant need to prepare a video of 4 to 5 minutes, which should be less than 400 MB of file size, should have introduction of Atomy in 1 minute, 2 Atomy product introduction in 1 minute each, Atomy compensation plan in 1 minute, motivation to become education center leader in 1 minute. Upload the video and click on Save and Next for submitting the application. Upon successful submission, you will receive an email notification. Kindly wait till Atomy India process your application. If your application has been approved, applicant may click on Next step to initiate the next stage of application, that is Letter of Intent, LOI. Applicant need to read the Letter of Intent thoroughly and give consent by clicking I agree. Then you may click on Submit button to complete LOI. Upon successful submission, you will receive email notification. Kindly wait till Atomy India process your application. You will receive email upon Atomy India evaluation of 5th stage. Applicant can download the copy of LOI for further reference. If your application has been approved, applicant may click on Next step to initiate the stage of application, that is second evaluation. Then you will be redirected to the first sub-stage of second evaluation. In this stage, applicant need to select and upload leased or owned property document. If you have selected leased property, you are required to upload NOC from the landlord for the activity at the premises, or if you have selected owned property, then you may upload notarized deed or electricity bill or telephone bill or property tax copy. Then the applicant need to mention the final education center address and click on Save and Next. Then you will be redirected to the second sub-stage of second evaluation. In this stage, applicant need to provide consent for obtaining FSI license, and applicant need to answer the following questions and may click on Save and Next. Then you will be redirected to the third sub-stage of second evaluation. In this stage, applicant need to upload the exterior photograph at least one, then entrance photograph at least one, and 2 interior photograph, which includes all the 4 corners of the education center. Also, as optional, applicant may need to upload the consent letter of minimum 100 distributors and list of 500 distributors to be associated with the proposed education center. Upon successful submission, you will receive email notification. Kindly wait till Atomy India process your application. You will receive email upon Atomy India evaluation of 6th stage, that is agreement stage. Applicant need to read the agreement, which contains terms and conditions to be complied by the education center leader all the time during the period of agreement. Applicant need to read the agreement thoroughly and give consent by clicking I agree, then click Submit button to complete agreement stage. Upon successful submission, you will receive email notification. Kindly wait till Atomy India process your application. You will receive email upon Atomy India evaluation of 7th stage. Applicant can download the copy of agreement for further reference. Applicant may click on next step to initiate the next step of application, that is certificate stage. Download the Education Center allotment certificate, which need to be displayed inside the Education Center all the time during the time of agreement. After receiving the certificate from Atomy India, your registration process will be completed. Thank you so much for listening to us. Please follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Band. We will come up with more videos about Atomy India Education Center. Once again, thank you so much. Stay tuned. Bye bye.